Stay My Charmer. Stay my charmer, can you leave me? Cruel, cruel to deceive me. Well, you know how much you grieve me. Cruel charmer, can you go? Cruel charmer, can you go? By my love so ill requited, by the faith you fondly plighted, by the pangs of lovers slighted, do not leave me so. Do not leave me so. That was written by Robert Burns to a two-part melody from a book called Highland Vocal Airs by Patrick MacDonald that was published in 1787. Tunes collected in the field. And unfortunately, Burns's publisher, the Scots Musical Museum, left the B part of the melody out. They did that with other songs of Burns, including Tam Glen. Maybe Tamlin, who knows. Anyway, I hope you'll subscribe. I have a part of my channel called Songs of Robert Burns, and I'm working on a book called Songs of Burns these last 8 years, tracking down the melodies from the original source books. So I hope you'll stay in touch, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you.